Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make BMW M4 exhaust pop. Remove the intake or tune options safely before testing the engine to avoid damage. Start with a simple tune and exhaust check, then add a spark cut or retune for pop frequency. Use a wideband to monitor AFR and keep emissions in mind. Test in a safe, legal area with ear protection and a spotter and caution. I'll walk through hardware changes that influence pop and tone, focusing on safe upgrades. Start with catless or high-flow downpipes, but consider emissions laws and track use. Upgrade to valved exhausts, resonator deletes, or tuned mid-pipes for stronger crackles. Adjust back pressure and muffler packing to refine burbles without harsh rasp. Always pair hardware with ECU tuning to avoid limp modes and to control fuel trims and monitor logs. Hey, if you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. Quick recommendation. I enjoyed a practical finance book called The Simple Path to Wealth that streamlines money mindset and saving habits in a friendly way. It pairs oddly well with car projects because it helps budget for upgrades and avoid debt. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Software tuning controls timing and fuel cuts that create exhaust pops, so start with conservative maps. Use two maps, a daily map and an aggressive map for specific conditions, switching via switch or stomp box. Add spark cut settings or throttle blips to induce pops, and tune fuel trims to prevent knock and enrichment. Test on a dyno or private track, logging AFR, knock, and torque to ensure engine safety and consistent behavior.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.